quantitative versus qualitative research, literacy in Pakistan, comparisons across provinces. So let us look at the literacy rate in Pakistan and talk about little bit about literacy in Pakistan. Economic Survey Pakistan एक report publish करती है हर साल. That is known as Economic Survey Pakistan 2014, 2015 की भी आपको मिलेगी. And this is the official document by the government of Pakistan Ministry of Education. अब इसके अंदर because we realize how important your quantitative research is, because it is on the basis of the quantitative research that you can draw comparisons across provinces, across gender and across rural and urban areas. So ये वाला जो कंपैरिजन इन्होंने ड्रॉ किया था, ये 2014 की रिपोर्ट अगर हम देखें तो ये PSLM का एक सर्वे हुआ था 2011 में और 2012 में. And then they realized that the literacy rate of the population in Pakistan 10 years and above, so 10 साल से ऊपर जो लोग हैं, is 58%. And this rate is higher in urban areas rather than in rural areas. So there is a discrepancy between rural and urban areas. Similarly, there is again a discrepancy in these figures for males and females. पंजाब का अगर हम provincial differences देखें तो आप देखेंगे कि 52% rate है rural areas में literacy का, 75% है in urban areas. So you can see the discrepancy very clearly. और पूरे as a total, rural and urban, if you mix them together, 70% of your males are literate, while only 51% of your females are literate. And if you look at the primary enrollment, it is 98% in general in Punjab. लेकिन 98% primary enrollment का figure has to be taken, interpreted carefully, क्योंकि it doesn't mean कि all of them are actually attending school. It means they're only enrolled, and this also does not mean कि ये 5 साल या 6 साल जो कि ज़रूरी होते हैं लिटरेसी के लिए वो पूरे करेंगे आपके स्कूल में. अगर हम सिंध की तरफ अगर अब आ जाएं तो there is the literacy rate in rural areas is 41% and urban areas it is 78%. इसी तरह males 22% and 47% of your females are literate. और प्राइमरी एनरोलमेंट यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी कम हो जाती है और हम 79% पे आ जाते हैं. लेट्स लुक एट KPK नाउ. 50% of the population in rural areas is literate. 65% in urban areas is literate. So इसमें discrepancy थोड़ी सी कम है KPK में, urban and rural में, but it's very much there. Similarly, 72% of the males are literates, while only 35% females are literates. और यहाँ पे प्राइमरी रेट जो है सिंध से थोड़ा बेहतर है, that is 89%, but it is lesser than what it is in Punjab. बलोचिस्तान को अगर हम देखें तो we see there is a gross differences again. In the rural areas, only 40% of them qualify as being, of the population qualifies to be called literate. Urban areas में literacy का rate is 62%. उसमें से males आपके 65% are literate और females में से only 23% of the total population, female population of Balochistan are literates. And the primary rate or enrollment rate over here is much less. So you can see by having these numbers, it has become, the picture becomes so clear for the policymakers where to invest money, to find out what are the gaps and to see which provinces are doing better than others. Having said that, it needs to be pointed out that literacy studies in Pakistan in qualitative are much less, and there are hardly any studies they are talking about literacy के क्या factors हैं जो कि उसको इम्पैक्ट करते हैं, और जो हैं भी स्टडीज़ वो ज़्यादा NGO बेस्ड हैं जिसके अंदर वो अडल्ट लिटरेसी की ज़्यादा बात करते हैं और वो डायरेक्टली आपके स्कूल्स की लिटरेसी की बात नहीं करते. एंड वन ऑफ दो स्टडीज़ इज़ बाय एल्कायर 2002 की. इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक विच टॉक्स अबाउट कि किस तरह मुख्तलिफ गाँव में जाके जो उन्होंने लिटरेसी के प्रोग्राम्स के 3 विलेजेस को कंपेयर करके बताती है कि किस तरह से उसके आउटकम्स का में डिफरेंस आया और उसकी क्या वजह हुई. So in any case, before we move away from the literacy in Pakistan, the question of literacy in Pakistan, ye khayal rakhiyega, it is also very, very important that how literacy is defined is also very clear, and it is kept, it's the same definition that should be used across comparisons. तो आप बेसिक उसका क्राइटेरिया एक रखेंगे, और हमारा criteria is a very low level criteria which expects people to just be able to write or read a few sentences. So even when we talk about literacy level, does not really matter much in terms of a proper education.